Hi, and welcome to the LinkedIn Tips series. Today we're going to look at how to upload a video with subtitles to LinkedIn. So let's have a look at how you can do this. So you want to go into LinkedIn and you want to go to Start a Post. Click on Start a Post. Now I have got a post pre-prepared, so I'm just going to copy and paste the text that I've already put together into this post. Okay, and just making sure that it's all pasted in nicely. There's a bit of a space there. And there we go. And all my hashtags are in there, okay. So now to add the video, I'm just going to go to the video icon here. Click on the video icon. It's immediately opened up the opportunity for me to add the video I want. So I know the video I want to add. And I'm going to just grab that, click open, and that's come up. And now I want to click to add the subtitles. So I need to click this pencil where it says edit. And I want to upload my SRT file to add the subtitles. So I'm just going to select caption. And then I'm going to grab the SRT file and click open. And then all I need to do is click done. And it's ready to post. So I can just check it's got my nice video there. And so I'm going to click post. Now, you can only upload videos that are up to 10 minutes in length onto LinkedIn. So you can't upload a video that's longer than that, just so that you know that. And then I'm going to click post. And then it takes a little bit of time to upload. And actually, this one is going to take quite a while to upload. So I'm going to leave that go, but I can show you the post already because I posted it previously. So I'm just going to show you how it looks, and I'm just going to grab that particular post for you. And there we go, here's the post. And you can see the video is there, and there are the subtitles. Perfect. So that is all you need to do in order to add a video with subtitles to your LinkedIn posts. So good luck. I hope you've enjoyed this LinkedIn tip. Please do look out for more of my LinkedIn tip series. And I would love to hear your thoughts. Has this video been helpful for you? All right, bye for now, guys.